All right, welcome back, everybody. This is going to be the weekly stats for this last week, ending on December 10th, 2021. Before we get started and take a look at our numbers for last week, let you know that I do have now a holiday special that's going on through the end of this year. All right, this is the best deal I've offered all year off of the core package. You are going to get the full core package. I didn't hold anything back. I'll show you exactly how I do the first trade a day. You'll learn all the 5 different patterns that we trade, and you'll also learn how I manage size. That's all part of the package. Right now, 30% off. You won't get another deal like this next year, 2022. You've heard me talking about it. My rates are going up. So if you're interested, this is the time to act. 30% off. Go to binaryprostrategies.com and go to the Join Now button, and you'll see those specials. Also, if you're getting my weekly recap newsletter, you can just click on this link right here, 30% off, and that will take you directly to the special. All right, let's start looking at our stats for last week and see how we did. All right, so here we are. Let's take a look at our numbers for the week. Once again, as I mentioned, starting this last week, I went ahead and we've opened up trading all 4 of our pairs here again, not just sticking with one single pair. So I've been trading the Aussie, Euro, actually made a few trades on the pound, maybe a couple all week. And then, of course, my favorite, the US yen. So I had a good week, not only on the first trade of the day, as you can see here with 80% in the morning, 100% in the evening. But my stats overall were, once again, very, very good. They always come back to what I would expect, somewhere between that 75 to 80%, as you can see, right? So this particular pattern, as all the patterns, are extremely strong. There's no reason why they would ever change their percentage of win rates, all right? It's a really, really strong pattern, and that's what we're seeing. Remember, once again, if you've been to any of my live webinars, we've talked about the numbers. These patterns right here, or this one pattern right here, has had over 15,000 setups since I started my chat room back in 2019. All right, and the percentages of wins overall is 76%. That's amazing. All right, and that's the way it's always been. So there's no reason to think that this is ever going to change because of the way these patterns are designed. Remember, these are behavioral patterns, and people's behavior under certain conditions doesn't change. It's very predictable, and that's what they do. That being said, as you can see on the Aussie in the morning, we had, let's see if I come over here. Let's open this up a little bit. You can see that we had overall, 75% in the morning, 80% in the evening on the Aussie in the Euro, and the US. Yen is always going to be my favorite. You can say they all were within what I would expect, somewhere between that 75 to 80 percentile. Okay, so definitely had a really good week. And then also there was a lot of really good opportunities. I had a lot of really high volatility, and that just gave us just a lot of opportunities to bank some green. So that's what we did. And also I expect that to continue as we go into this holiday season. And usually between Christmas and New Year's, for surprisingly, can be a really, really good week. Okay, even though it's slow for a lot of people, that can turn out to be a really good week. So kind of looking forward to moving into the end of the year here with some trading. But as far as my trading, I was doing core, doing some CB trades as well. After I opened everything up again, back to what I would expect on a weekly basis. Also keep in mind that when you start trading, okay, you're always going to start with core, which will give you the basics. Okay, you can do extremely well just trading core. But at some point when you're ready to make that move, all right, once you master core, you can always get in the CB. Remember, CB adds another dimension. We're looking at an additional dimension, okay, that you don't learn in core. But once again, just trading core, you can do extremely, extremely well. So with all 5 dimensions, you can have a really powerful approach to your trading. That being said, once again, just a really good week. This coming week, I'm going to focus Again, on the Aussie and the Euro and the Yen. May or may not do some pound depending on the type of setups that I see, but I'm gonna continue to focus on the Aussie, Euro, and Yen. I will be doing longs and I will be doing shorts. Okay, so I'm not gonna be overly biased on the short side. I will be doing some longs as well. Looking forward to this coming week. Looking forward to its volatility. Don't forget, take advantage of that special we have going on, that holiday special. It's the best deal I have offered all year, and also my rates are going up in 2022. So if you're interested, this is the time to get in. So everybody have a really good trading week. Any questions, just go to binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me your questions. Always glad to answer those. I hope everybody has a really good week, and we will see you next weekend on our next weekly recap. Take care.